To be a deacon is to move under the people to do something. And that brings us now to the word Hipporates. Hipporates is an honor boat rower. It is the engine of the boat. Saints, in Greek that word Hipporates referring to the lowest of the lowest in a community, the slave. They are chained to the bench, you cannot escape. If you are a deacon, you can escape. If you are still part of the dollars, you can escape. But when you move into the Hipporates, you cannot escape because you are chained to the bench. 5 on the bench. Here is the point. Some of us are rowing and many are hitting one another with the oar. And that is not supposed to be like that. The meaning of Hipporates in Greek teaches us the term used in the ancient world to describe the lowest class of criminals. We are rowing at the bottom of the ship. Row and row, you are the engine. 5 people chained to the bench. And the whole purpose of those 5 people to the bench as the engine of the ship is to equip, to lead the immature into maturity, to lay down solid foundation. The passengers on the deck has a very good time, often complaining about the ship that is moving too slowly or in the wrong direction. When the ship goes down, you cannot escape because you are chained, but the people can save themselves. That is the difference. Sometimes the ship is sinking and you are not a truly Hipporates because you run away. Instead of complaining on top, criticizing the rowers, get yourself an oar, come down to the ship and start rowing and stop complaining and moaning.